Hey friends, welcome back to the channel Uday's Review. In the previous video, we have seen the budget segmented smartphones from Motorola, Samsung and MI. In this video, let us see a phone which has huge battery life, triple camera, in that one is 48 megapixel camera, 5 megapixel and 8 megapixel camera, and also a 16 megapixel camera in the front. It is from Samsung and it is called Samsung M30s. So friends, without wasting time, let us get into the unboxing. This is a retail box of the phone. Let us remove the seal on the phone. So once we remove the seal, we can flip over and we can take the box apart. Inside the top box, there is a user guide, manual, quick start, and there is also a SIM ejector. Now let us take the phone. This phone feels premium, and let me keep it aside and see what else is there. Inside we have a charger adapter, and that is adaptive fast charging adapter. I think this is a fast charger. And we also have a USB cable. This phone has Type-C charger. Let me remove the plastic covers around the phone. As I told you, this phone has 3 cameras. One is 48 megapixel camera, one is 5 megapixel camera, and one is 8 megapixel camera. So these are the cameras, and this phone has a physical audio rocker buttons on the side and the power on and power off button. Here is a front camera. This phone at the bottom we have an audio jack, has a USB Type-C charger, so that is what you can see here in the below. So this is a phone after removing the cover. Let me switch on the phone, and this is a first boot, so it will take time. As of now, I'll just skip everything, directly go into the phone home screen. So this is a phone home screen. Let us swipe on top and see the details. It has all the features and all the shortcuts which is necessary. It has a Dolby plugin also. So let us go into the app screens and see what are the apps is there. And let us go to settings and see which version of software is this phone running. me go back. See the software information. Here I can see it is on Android 9. So this is the Android 9's animation screen. That is Android 5. And let me activate the developer mode. So we are in developer mode right now. So this is a Wi-Fi thing. I will connect to my Wi-Fi. Now I have already connected to my Wi-Fi. Let me go see, does it have any software updates? It is checking for update. And it says your software is up to date. Okay, let me go back. Go once again and see. It says your software is updated and it is installing some apps as in the background when I connect to Wi-Fi. So let me exit. So this was the overview of the phone and unboxing of the phone. Friends, hope you have seen the unboxing video of Samsung M30s and its features. Friends, if you like this video, please share it with your friends and family. Subscribe to my channel Uday's Review and follow us on the social media platforms. Thank you.
Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get notification.